Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! I'm Teacher Aya, your online tutor. Today, we are going to read another set of sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. I have an apple. It is red. Again. I have an apple. It is red. Your turn to read, children. I have a pet. It is a cat. Again. I have a pet. It is a cat. Your turn to read, children. I have a balloon. It is big. Again. I have a balloon. It is big. Your turn to read, children. I have a doll. It has long hair. Again. I have a doll. It has long hair. Your turn to read, children. I have a bag. It is new. Again. I have a bag. It is new. Your turn to read, children. I have a candy. It is sweet. Again. I have a candy. It is sweet. Your turn to read, children. I have a pen. It is blue. Again. I have a pen. It is blue. Your turn to read, children. I have a car. My car is red. Again. I have a car. My car is red. Your turn to read, children. I have a dress. My dress is pink. Again. I have a dress. My dress is pink. Your turn to read, children. I have an orange. This orange is round. Again, I have an orange. This orange is round. Your turn to read, children. I have a dog. Its name is Max. Again, I have a dog. Its name is Max. Your turn to read, children. I have a chocolate. It is yummy. Again, I have a chocolate. It is yummy. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. I have an apple. It is red. I have a pet. It is a cat. I have a balloon. It is big. I have a doll. It has long hair. I have a bag. It is new. I have a candy. It is sweet. I have a pen. It is blue. I have a car. My car is red. I have a dress. My dress is pink. I have an orange. This orange is round. I have a dog. Its name is Max. I have a chocolate. It is yummy. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching, children. See you on our next lessons.